Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to switch between the 12-hour display and 24-hour display, so military time, on your Casio G-Shock DW 9052. So as you can see here we have the model and here we have the module. Now in order to do this, we won't be able to do it from the button right here as you would do on other Casio watches. So what we need to do is to press the adjust button once while we are in our home screen. We are going to see the seconds beeping. If we use the mode button, we are going to toggle between the different settings, but what we are going to do is to press the G button, so the light button right here, and that is going to switch to military time. So if I press it once again, I'm going to switch back to the 12-hour display, and as you can see here I have 8 p.m. I prefer the 24-hour display, so I'm going to leave it like this. We can use the mode button in order to set the time and date, and in order to finalize the process I'm going to press the adjust button once again. And as you can see now, the 24-hour display is active on my Casio G-Shock watch. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, and also how to see if it is fake or original, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. In case you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Let me know in the comment section below what you would like to see next. And in case you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.